Ganda-ganda naman yan. Ganda-ganda mag-smile. Gusto nang may kausap. Gusto nang may kausap. Ganda-ganda naman yan. Ganda-ganda mag-smile ni Elijah. Ganda-ganda naman yan. Double chin na yan, ha? Double chin na yung baby ko na. Ganda-ganda naman. Ganda-ganda mag-smile naman ng baby na yan. Ganda-ganda gusto may kausap. You okay? Are you okay? It's okay, Daddy will fix it. Are you okay? Be careful next time. You okay? Okay.
Sabi niya, nasaan na? Nasaan yung kausap ko?
Ganda-ganda naman yan. Ganda-ganda. Oh no. Gusto na may kausap niyan. Oh.
Ayun.
I'm not happy. You're not happy anymore.